Yo,
What's up, bro?
what's goody?
I'm grinding, dog. What you doing?
You're grinding? Same, bro. I'm over here at the
Bro,
office.
bro. The streets are clear. I'm working, dude.
I know, bro. Me too. I'm gonna go show a 4 unit I have real quick, and then I'm going to your spot.
Oh, nice, bro. Yeah, sell that shit.
I got you. What else you got? You working on some new stuff?
Yeah, I got a couple deals coming through the pipeline. Man, this snow kind of fucked everything up.
I know, bro. Nobody's working.
I know. I mean, title should be working. They're in office. Like, I just don't get it. Well, unless they're on power. I understand that.
Nah,
But I mean,
everybody's using it
if they
as
have power, yeah, everybody's using an excuse, right?
yeah. Like all my guys. Oh, man, never mind. I'm gonna go do this by myself.
Yeah, but you know what it is, why you can't count your egg for the hatch, bro. Let's go, man.
Exactly, because look, they're gonna be crying in 2 weeks when they don't got nothing in the pipeline.
Yeah, because dude, like I said, what you do this month is for next month. What you do this week is for next week. Like,
Exactly.
we're already behind, so
Exactly.
if you do July, bro, this week they're 2 weeks behind now.
Exactly, and I always tell them that, but it is what it is. I can't force somebody to work, especially if they got a good excuse like this.
If you got a deal today, it's gonna take you 14 days to close that shit out, or less, or longer.
Or longer.
So, yeah, or longer. So if you ain't got a deal today, guess what? You're not getting paid 14 days. You just keep going like this until you get a fucking deal.
That's exactly right. But we know the game. We've been in the game for a little while now, so we know.
Long time, yeah.
But then they don't see it now because they got a little money in their pocket. But in 2 weeks from now, when they ain't got the pipeline, they're gonna be like,
They're gonna tell you, dude, I didn't get a full-time job.
well, or hey, can you spot me? Can you spot me?
Yeah. You don't get a deal. That's not nobody. Bro, if you need anything, call me. But you got the combos, and I'm working, so hit me up if you need anything.
All right, cool. I will.
All right, man.
All right, later. Let's go. Let's get it. Day one at Snow Day, San Antonio. Alright, time to have some fun in the 4x4. See, like, this is what this was made for. She's barely stretching her legs out. She probably loves it.
I don't have kids, but
Alright, so
from what I hear, like, I'm never quite ready,
Snow Day 2021. What's today? February 18th. So, like, this is crazy. So, we've been stuck in the house for like 4 days since Monday. It's Thursday right now. A lot of people haven't had water or electricity.
Oh, wow.
So I was fortunate enough to have electricity but no water, which is fine. I can live with that. But it's been hot in my house. I've been blessed. But I just had to get out. I was like, bro, I can't just stay in my house for 4 days. It's horrible. So we're in San Antonio, Texas.
All right, guys.
I've never seen snow before. And I go from that to this. Look at that. You would think we're in Indianapolis or something. So, man, it's crazy. And shoot, man. So like, this is like bizarre for everybody. So Texas wasn't ready for this. I'll tell you that. So there's a shutdown with electricity in like all over Texas, Dallas, Houston, Austin, San Antonio. Man, but anyways, it's Thursday. I'm tired of staying in the house. Me and Sheiky boys out here.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna go sell a 4-unit in the snow. We're gonna go look at a little West Side house that was sent to me. And we working. Tell me who else is working. I don't think nobody. So it's an easy excuse, right? It's an easy excuse to say, it's snowing, I can't work, whatever. But to me, I love this. But then again, I do got the big old 4x4 with the mud tires, so I got a little advantage. But we out here. Property wants to buy it, and I'm honestly like stuck. I don't know if I should close it and just list it because I see what they're going for, but I wouldn't mind just selling it off wholesale fee because I'm making a decent fee on it. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna knock on the doors for the tenants, see if I get in tomorrow around 12 p.m. because I got some other people wanting to come, and that's that, man. So we're gonna go knock on the door, see if we can get in. Oh, actually we probably can't take the camera. I don't want to spook them.
These little paint.
As the company grows and it gets to where I want it to be, my goal is just to buy little houses like this in the west side, 40, 50 grand, clean ones, put a little bit of money into them, and owner finance, create notes. And I did the math on that, like with interest and all that, the amount that they end up paying you if they go the whole 15, 20 years, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, that's a set of keys right there.
It's a light box one. It's a sign. Knock, knock. Police.
Oh, you're not allowed to say that on the vlog.
Oh, yeah, just kidding. Realtor. I like little houses like this. This is what I'm going to invest in. A bunch of these little houses. What do you think?
I think it's level. I'm surprised on how.
It feels real high off the ground, too.
Yeah, it does.
It's got a good foundation. But the bad thing about it is it's a 2-1. If it was a 3-1, I'd be an all no brainer.
Man, it's got a nice, beautiful, snowy backyard right now.
There's a busted pipe here.
Yeah, I hear it. Over here next door. Yeah, it is next door. Look. Oh, yeah.
Damn.
They having a bad day.
Mm-hmm. Hey, none of that is up to code. I guarantee you that.
Absolutely not.
Come hang your clothes, old school style.
You're a big mean guy, aren't you?
So this is the type of stuff I would buy. Like when the wholesale operation gets to where I want it to, and I start investing the money in, I mean, I'm already investing, but I'm doing flips and stuff. What I want to do, or my plan is to buy a bunch of these little single families and just owner finance them and create notes. Because you can buy these. I'm getting this for 50 grand. Put in, man, honestly, this almost turnkey. I probably almost owner finance it just as it stands. Just make sure everything's working. Foundation feels good. Owner finance it for, I don't know, 90, 95. With 10% down. You get a nice payment up front, but at 10 to 12% interest, what that looks like over 15, 20 years is ridiculous. It's a great investment. And then when you're owner financing, you don't have to deal with any of the issues because it's their house. It's like a bank. You're pretty much a bank. So like think about it. If you buy a house from a bank and your roof's leaking or your plumbing breaks, you don't call the bank, right? You got to fix that on your own. So that's what it is. You don't have renters. You're selling the house owner finance. So that's the beauty of that. I like, because I hate tenants, man. Like on a mobile home park, they call me all the time. Their toilets is, and then I'm like, man. So we finally hired somebody to take care of all that, but it was horrible.